Hi everyone, this is Heather Smith with Storyville Photography, and today I'm going to show you how to easily transform an image into a sketch with the Storyville Doodle collection. So this is the before and this is the after. I'm going to go ahead and just put that in the trash so we can go through this step by step. First of all, you're going to want to have your image opened into Photoshop, and then I'm going to come over to my Actions panel and select the Storyville Doodle and hit play. And then I have a little pop-up with directions for this action if you choose to look at it. Okay, so once you play the action, you're going to see there's a doodle base, a convert to black and white, contrast, darken, and lighten. Now, I sometimes will fiddle around with this base if you don't like it exactly how it plays. You can come up here to the opacity and hit 0 or push it down to 0, and then just slowly increase it till you like what you see. For this tutorial, I'm going to leave it at 100, and I'm going to come over here to the darken. As you can see, this is a black layer mask, so you're going to want to grab a white brush at 100% opacity, and then I'm just going to kind of paint on areas where I want the image to darken a little bit and really make that sketch pop. And just like if this was a little bit darker, you could do the same for the lighten. You can also fiddle with the contrast, up, down, whatever appeals to you. And if you don't want the black and white, color can also look pretty cool on it. So I left that option in there for you. I'm going to leave it black and white for this. And so this is the before, and that's the after. So quick, so easy. If you want to add any writing, all you have to do is hit a fresh layer. So then if you want to adjust opacity or move it around, it will be on its own separate layer. And in this collection, I included Storyville Doodle brushes. So it comes with some special occasion, season and holiday brushes, and then symbols and letters, lowercase and uppercase for this one. And what's also cool about this is if you have the watercolor collection, you can kind of change up the brushes between this and the watercolor collection. So I'm just going to go ahead and write love on here. I'm going to select the L, and then you can increase the size using the right bracket key or decrease the size using the lower. And you can either just hit it once, delete that, or you can kind of slide it and it'll do this cool effect. Really up to you what you want to do. I'm going to come over here, choose the O now, expand that a little bit. And I might just click it twice on there, showing you guys a variety. V, we'll just keep that once. And then coming in for one last letter, we'll go with E, obviously. There we go. And that's it, guys. So easy. If you want to move the word around once it's done, all you have to do is make sure that you have that layer selected, hit Command T, and you can move it anywhere you'd like. Okay, so now I want to show you why this works best on storytelling images and not necessarily just folks staring and cheesing at the camera. So this is my family because I didn't want to embarrass anybody else by how weird you can look. I'm going to go ahead and hit play. And it's a little scary, guys. I mean, great for Halloween if you want to terrify people or your customer. You can play around, and sometimes this will work and look decent on face-forward images, but not necessarily the best look here. And I just wanted to be completely straightforward with you guys. But the storytelling images are awesome. So just another example for a storytelling image. I have my daughter up there in a tree. I'm going to hit the play. And then I'm going to adjust this. It was a little bit strong for my liking, so I'm going to just come up to about, 56%. I'm going to turn the black and white off. And there you go. Boom. Before and after. And you can also, darken if you'd like. You can lower the opacity if you just want it a teeny bit. And then you can also lighten wherever you'd like and adjust the opacity. So there you have it, guys. Super quick and super easy. If you need any step-by-step instructions on how to install your action or your brushes, go over to the guide section on the Storyville website and that will help you out. You can also find this collection amongst other Storyville products over at www.storyvillephotography.com. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.